Seriously, the best-selling gift, you'll see why. This pack comes with 3 of them. They are so easy to assemble. There's stickers for each plane. You take out this little plastic thing and it has little LED lights with 3 options of flashing. It's nice, the wheels turn so you could shoot it on the floor and it will just ride. Very sturdy, not floppy. Really beautiful, vibrant color planes. Set of 3, nice to have for siblings or friends. It goes on like this on the rail and it clips in. And then you just press the button and it releases the plane. Flies pretty high and far, I would say about 20 feet. It's seriously not only fun for kids, but adults as well. There you go. From 3.5 years old and on, they can load it and shoot it. So fun, the best gift, I think, for any age child or adult. There you go. Cool. Also really fun to see it fly at night with all the lights